Landmark College knows that neurodiversity is a strength, helping students unlock their learning abilities and discover how their unique thinking makes a difference. Now enrolling for on-campus and online options. Visit landmark.edu.
Neuropathy can be unbearable. Symptoms include pain, numbness, or tingling in the hands, legs, or feet. Most patients are prescribed dangerous drugs such as gabapentin, Lyrica, Cymbalta, which only mask the pain, they never fix the problem. End the frustration. SF Beta Wellness, the leader in neuropathy treatments, can successfully help your body to regenerate nerves with no injections, no drugs, and no surgery. SF Beta Wellness, located in San Ramon, can give you your life back. Call today for your $99 neuropathy special. Receive a personal treatment plan that is tailored to your needs. Most treatments can be done in the comfort of your home, and SF Beta Wellness treats patients who live hundreds of miles away. Don't wait. Call now, 844-94-NERVE, and schedule your $99 neuropathy special. Call 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again. That's 844-94-NERVE. Call now. Call 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again.
KCBS News Time 1:38. Traffic and weather together. We are starting in Fairfield. Victor's in your local Honda dealers traffic center.
And still have very heavy traffic in both directions. I-80. This is due to an earlier crash in a westbound direction. Highway 12, the exit towards the Rio Vista, Sassoon City. It was a crash that was blocking lanes. DeMarco did give us a call on the KCBS phone force, said everything's over to the right-hand shoulder. All lanes are open, but you're still backed up to Travis Boulevard. Also affecting the 80 in the eastbound direction after 680 when you pass the Cordelia area. That's you're going to see the brake lights until you actually get past the scene. Been also of people seeing smoke coming from underneath the freeway in Oakland off 580 and 24. And it looks like CHP is now reporting that 37th Street. So if you can just stay away from that area, that would probably be your best bet. And leave on the lower deck of the Bay Bridge. Pack your patience. Very heavy traffic from 101 northbound right around Cesar Chavez till, well, actually on the lower deck all the way to Yerba Buena Island. The two left lanes are blocked due to a crash, and also the Yerba Buena Island off-ramp to Treasure Island that is also at no estimated time when that will open. Your next traffic update at 1:48.
Beautiful sunshiny day. Temperatures mostly in the 70s around the bay, into the 80s inland. Just some lingering clouds along the coast, mostly in the 60s there. Right now, 72 in Oakland, San Francisco, 70 degrees. Santa Rosa, 81 for San Rafael, San Jose, 78 and 80 in Livermore. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
It's easy to think money managers are pretty much the same, but at Fisher Investments, we're clearly different.
Different? How? You sell high commission investment products, right?
No, Fisher Investments doesn't sell any commission-based investment products.
Well, you must earn commissions on trades.
Nope, never at Fisher. We're a fiduciary, obligated to act in our client's best interest. It's the highest standard of care for a financial advisor.
How do you know what's in their best interest?
We get to know our clients, and then tailor a portfolio based on their goals and needs.
But you probably sneak in some hidden and layered fees.
No, we have one transparent management fee structured so we do better when our clients do better.
Wow, you really do look out for your clients.
That's because our top priority is helping them achieve a comfortable retirement. It might be why most of our clients come from other money managers. Visit FisherInvestments.com to find out why investors like you switch to us. Fisher Investments. Clearly different money management.
Investments and securities involve the risk of loss.
About things that make us uncomfortable, like the middle seat on an airplane, or asking your boss for a raise, or having a real conversation about ED, impotence, or low testosterone. You don't have to be embarrassed. At Prime Male Medical, they've helped thousands of men in the Bay Area, and they can help you too. But don't take my word for it. Here's Dr. Robert Rowley from Prime Male
with acoustic wave therapy, which increases blood flow, breaks the microplaque, and improves your ED significantly. We have virtually every medication known to man to help men. We specialize in treatments for ED and low T.
Get your first visit, PSA and testosterone test, Doppler ultrasound, and follow-up visits for just $99. Learn more at PrimeMaleMedical.com or call 415-761-4036. 15-761-4037.
It's not often that something you like is actually good for you. Take sleeping on your side. Studies indicate that side sleeping can help with nighttime breathing. At European Sleepworks, they have many options to help side sleepers create the comfort and stability they need. From their unique contoured mattresses to their patented custom-fit oxygen pillows. After all, for over 50 years, they've been working on your side. It's a good thing. European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley or online at sleepworks.com.
KCBS News Time 142, sponsored by Ring Central, the global leader in cloud communication and collaboration solutions. The new school year across the Bay Area this month, and many kids will be going back without having been vaccinated against COVID-19. KCBS reporter Melissa Culross spoke with a health expert who's hoping that will change.
Only about a third of elementary school children have been vaccinated against COVID, says UCSF pediatrician and Prevention and Public Health Group Director Dr. George Rutherford. And that's way too low if we want to slow the they head back to class.
We certainly don't tolerate large outbreaks of measles in the classrooms because we have a very effective vaccine and strict laws and rules about vaccination.
Speaking on KCBS's Ask an Expert, Rutherford says COVID shots, which now are authorized for kids as young as 6 months old, are plentiful. So health officials just have to get the word out to parents that they're safe and effective.
I think that, I don't think we have sort of this great public thirst for COVID vaccination that's for school-age children that's been fulfilled.
You can hear Ask an Expert weekday mornings on KCBS, on the air, and on the Odyssey app. Melissa Culross, KCBS.
Well, big changes ahead for a global beauty pageant. CBS's Deborah Rodriguez.
Miss Universe organizers are reportedly updating the 70-year-old eligibility rule to allow married to compete for Miss Universe. Up until now, only single women who've never been married or had children have to apply. The age bracket, 18 to 28, remains the same. The chief executive of Miss Universe Bahrain tells The National the organization wants to be more inclusive, welcoming of all young women. Miss Universe 2020 says the rule change is long overdue. Deborah Rodriguez, CBS News.
News time 144. Kevin Radich joins us in 1 minute. We'll including the Giants striking first in San Diego.
Natural disasters happen every year. Fires, hurricanes, tornadoes. And with that, your most important moments recorded on VHS, camcorder tapes, and 8mm could all be gone in an instant. Cherished moments like your wedding, baby's first steps, family trips to Enter Legacy Box. Digitizing your old media with Legacy Box protects your irreplaceable memories from the threat of natural disaster by digitally preserving them onto thumb drive, DVD, or the cloud, so they're safe forever. The Legacy Box is the safest and easiest, which is why it's been trusted by over 1 million families. Send Legacy Box your home movies, photos, and film. Their team of trained professionals will do the rest right here in the U.S. For a limited time, Legacy Box is offering a radio-exclusive offer on digitizing all your media. Visit legacybox.com/value for an unbelievable deal on protecting your memories. That's legacybox.com.
Coming up on KCBS, our Tech Watch report.
I'm Ian Sure with people's concerns about how Facebook handled an abortion case.
KCBS News Time 145. Kevin Radich joins us live with sports.
Seated behind the low fence in left field, reached over the fence, grabbed the carom. The ball would have hit off the wall. Soto would have scored standing up. Instead, he was sent back to third. Then Judas got the next two men to. In the second, J.D. Davis was at the plate, and Dave Fleming was talking about how Davis last night got hosed by a called third strike facing Josh Hader in.
We got the StatCast report this morning. It was 4 inches off the plate. Call strike 3. The first strike in the sequence also was not a strike. It was 2 inches off the plate. Davis to right field and deep. Soto back. It is gone. J.D. Davis. He might have done that last night. if he'd had a chance. 1-0 Giants. His third home run already in a Giants uniform.
Yeah, Dave Fleming, NBC Sports Bay Area, the home run off Sean Manaea. In the fourth, the A's and Angels scoreless in the fourth inning. J.P. Sears started for Oakland against Chucky Toussaint over at the Coliseum. At the sports desk, Kevin Radich, KCBS.
Are you fed up with your old-fashioned water softener and its time-consuming upkeep? Are you tired of buying bottled water because your tap water is undrinkable? A LifeSource whole house water system is your solution. This is Claire Beverly, and I want to tell you about LifeSource, the Bay Area's most recommended whole house water system. LifeSource like water softeners, but with LifeSource you get more. Unlike water with softeners, you can drink the water from all your faucets. No need to buy expensive bottled water. The bad taste and harsh feel of chemicals like chlorine and chloramines are eliminated. With LifeSource, there's to change and no salt to add. They install it, you forget it. Call for a free consultation to replace your softener with a LifeSource water system. Call 888-712-4279 or visit LifeSource. That's 888-712-4279. LifeSource Water. Taste and feel the difference.
Your home is a one-of-a-kind piece of art. A palette of design elements reflecting your personal aesthetic and functional needs. For over 20 years, All Natural Stone's exclusive collection of luxury tile, exotic and specialty natural stone, and masterfully engineered porcelain has been transforming homes into pieces of livable art. Visit one of All Natural Stone's 4 Bay Area showrooms. Burlingame, San Jose, or at allnaturalstone.com and find your inspiration. You can dine in art, entertain, bathe in art, lounge in art, relax in art. You can live in art.
148 KCBS traffic in your 6-day forecast starting in San Francisco. Here's Victor Saragosa.
A very heavy traffic on Highway 101 in the northbound direction, right around Cesar Chavez, especially if you're trying to head to the lower deck of the Bay Bridge. You're just solid all the way to Yerba Buena Island. This traffic report is brought to you by Floorcraft Carpet 1 San Francisco. Right at Yerba Buena Island, the left lane and the off-ramp to Treasure Island are blocked. This is due to a crash. They're estimating 20 to 30 minutes before they can clear that up. It looks like a car hit some of the sand barrels and caused quite a bit of damage in that area. So that's the reason why you are just heavy through there. Through the tunnel. It's a smooth ride into the East Bay. Coming into San Francisco, that actually looks pretty good from the toll plaza of the Bay Bridge on 80 westbound into downtown San Francisco. Now, if you're just trying to get into the downtown area, especially northbound 101, you may want to consider taking 280 to the 6th and King Street exit. There's a little bit of a slowdown once you get to the exits, but way better than the actual backup on 101 headed to the lower deck. And also some brake tapping getting on the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge in the eastbound direction. Looks like bridge work is picking up as we speak. They're clearing up all the lanes. So that's the reason we are very slow getting on the by mid-span. It's a smooth ride into Richmond. Right now, stop by Floorcraft Carpet 1 in San Francisco and get big savings during their worry-free waterproof event. Save on luxury vinyl, hardwood, carpet, and more. Learn more at floorcrafthome.com. Get X traffic update at 1:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Hey, good afternoon. Meteorologist Jessica Birch here. Daytime highs today remaining a little bit above average in San Francisco. We're still dealing with upper 60s, lower 70s in the Peninsula. Low 80s all the way off into the Santa Clara Valley. We're slowly going to start seeing upper 80s as early as next work week as high pressure builds its way in from the desert. To do is, well, it warms us up, it dries us up, it brings in the sunshine, and we are expecting a lot of sunshine as we head into our weekend forecast with upper 90s in the forecast as early as next work week, just for our inland areas off in the East Bay. Now, as for the North Bay, it's a very similar trend, but we'll keep you updated here in the Weather Center. And for now, I'm meteorologist Jessica Birch with your KCBS KPX5 for Surf Forecast.
Get a cash offer for your car, truck, or SUV today at your local Bay Area Chevy dealers. Selling has never been easier. Just bring it into a Bay Area Chevy dealer, get a free appraisal, and we'll make you a cash offer on the spot with no obligation. Any maker model, paid off or not. Find your local Chevy dealer at BayAreaChevroletDealers.com. Have weekend plans? Take us along for the ride.
A long day of beautification here. Volunteers rolling up their sleeves.
Day, night, and weekend. We keep you up to date on the news, traffic, and weather.
Beautification volunteers doing their thing on campuses all over Oakland.
It's one more reason why we're the Bay Area's #1 news station.
On the already beautiful campus of Westlake Middle School, Jim Taylor, KCBS.
All news, all the time, right here on KCBS.
We have Katie O'Donnell and Kathy Whitman at the editor's desk. Casey.
Okay.